Brad Williams, XL Prime, show all text before the comma in a new list. Text before. Recognize where's the comma. What's our output? Notice in the previous set of tutorials for text after, all the problems we were running into with this fill feature and this random deal, well, it seems to be working here. Here, if we hit F9, looking for two commas, I want you to recognize the difference, the output. If we have an example, let's keep doing this. Here, you can see, even with two commas, notice the output. This is going to recognize this first comma. There's not a Michael Johnson comma in here. We'll also recognize what we see here is no space. Going through this list, F9, Terrence Griffin, the limited number of examples showing multiple commas. That's fine. We'll have more examples as we move forward. But you get the overall idea here. We're grabbing everything before the first comma, no space, everything else is the same. Narrative, a bit of a change. I want you to read this. There's some tips in regards to if this thing doesn't work, some layout, a little bit of write-up on. If you don't understand by now the various arguments, peruse this information in the narrative. Other than that, throw around some different setups, see what kind of output you get. Brad Williams, XL Prime. Thanks for watching.